Hello, I'm Dante Singo from Macmillan. Welcome to the unpacking video for our brand new and exciting TVET First Coding and Robotics Level 4 Integrated Parts Kit. So, what's in the box? Inside the Integrated Parts Kit is a box for EDCR and a box for Robotics and Industrial Automation. And yes, we've got technical programming covered too. All the coding your students need is built into these projects. As you open the EDCR box, you will find a full parts list printed on the inside cover. You can use this as a checklist while unpacking your box. Each component is carefully packaged and clearly labeled. This makes it easy to identify each part and to order replacements if a part is lost or broken. All the labels have the part name or number. Some of the labels have specific component images. We've included parts list cards for each project to help you choose the right parts. These cards show the specific project, the parts you need, images of each part, and a photo of the completed build. Let's look at the components. The geared motor wheels are placed on a foam on top of the box. The breadboard is snugly placed along the inside of the box. The jumper leads are in their own packet next to the breadboard. This packet includes male to male, female to female, and male to female leads. Resistors are sorted into 3 boxes. They are grouped into ohms, kilo ohms, and mega ohms. There is a color code diagram inside each box, and each packet of resistors is clearly labeled with a part number, a resistor value, a description, and an IEC symbol. The electrolytic capacitors are safely boxed. Inside the box are clearly labeled packets with a part number, a capacitor value, a description, and an IEC symbol. The USB cable for the Arduino microcontroller is in its own packet, and the Arduino and Raspberry Pi are safe in their own container. The relays and diodes are in one container. The motors are in one container. The motor drivers are in one container. The geared motor is packed on its own and is protected by foam. The slide switches and infrared photodiode pairs are in their own small containers. The LEDs have been separated by color and stored in a single container. A label with the diodes, its information, and a diagram of the anode and cathode position is included for each LED. The ceramic capacitors, transistors, FETs, push-button switches, and the SCR are in compartments in one container, and each has a clear label with the part details and picture. The rest of the components, like the operational amplifiers and shift register, are clearly labeled and in compartments in one container. The 74HC595 8-bit shift register comes with a QR code inside the lid that you can scan to view the pinout diagram. And that's it for the EDCR box. Now let's unpack the robotics and industrial automation box. Just like the EDCR box, you'll find a full parts list on the inside cover and bill of material cards for each project. Let's look at the components. The geared motor wheels are packed together and placed along the left side of the box. Resistors are sorted into 3 boxes in the same way as the EDCR resistors. The geared motors are packed together in a box with a layer of protective foam. The battery holder, the RR remote control, the 4x4 matrix keypad, and the jumper leads sit snugly in the middle of the box. The breadboard and the USB cables for the Arduino Uno are along the right side of the box. The LEDs have been separated by color and stored in a single container. The ultrasonic distance sensors are in their own container and protected by a layer of foam. The motion sensors are safe in a packet in their own container. The stepper motor driver and the color sensor are together in a container. The Arduino microcontroller boards are each in their own container, and the rest of the development boards are in a separate container. The sensors and push-button switches are clearly labeled inside one container. The display modules and servo motors are in separate containers. The packet with the laser-cut Mi-arm parts is at the front of the box and includes the fasteners. Last but not least, protected beneath a layer of foam and in bubble wrap is the acrylic frame for the obstacle avoidance car project. This kit will make your teaching experience smoother and your students' learning more interactive. With everything organized and ready to go, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get to building!